Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have a contributor or owner role on the subscription and the target VM. Once confirmed, open the Azure portal and locate the VM. This gives you the resource group and disk names you'll need. If you want a crash-consistent snapshot, stop or deallocate the VM first. Otherwise, you can snapshot a running VM, but be aware of application consistency. Now navigate to the VM's disks blade to begin the snapshot process. You're ready to create the snapshot. Select the Managed Disk in the disk's blade and click Create Snapshot. Choose a name and the storage account type, Standard HDD, Standard SSD, or Premium SSD, because that affects performance and cost. For efficiency, choose Incremental Snapshot when supported. It stores only changed blocks and reduces charges. Make sure you select the right snapshot tier and region, then Review and Create. This writes a point-in-time copy of the disk that you can use to restore or create new disks. Once your snapshot completes, restore by creating a managed disk from that snapshot and then attach it to a VM or create a new VM from the disk. This recreates the exact state at capture time. Make sure OS disk types and sizes are compatible, and if you intend to generalize the image, run sysprep before capture. If something goes wrong, check your role permissions, confirm the snapshot finished successfully, and inspect subscription quotas or regional replication issues. Fixing those usually clears most failures, so you...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.